TheJbeans.net.
If you've never been on a cruise, it can be difficult to think of everything you need to pack for your trip. And even if you have been on a cruise, there are probably some things you've never considered packing that could come in handy when you don't have access to your neighborhood superstore. This is our list of the top 5 things you didn't know you need to pack for a cruise. Number 1. Duct tape. Duct tape can be super handy around the house, so it's no surprise it can come in handy on a cruise. Although you can't use it to hang decorations around your cabin, you can use it to fix a lot of things, like our tube of toothpaste that got a hole poked in it. Imagine the fun of trying to squeeze out toothpaste with an extra hole in the container. Thankfully, we had packed our duct tape and made the quick fix, and it was never a problem. If you're not interested in packing the standard size duct tape, check nearby to see if your store sells smaller sizes that are perfect for throwing in your luggage. Number 2. Highlighters. We always pack highlighters so we can easily highlight all the events and activities on the daily schedule that we're interested in. Every daily schedule is likely going to be packed with dozens of activities you're not interested in. Being able to highlight the activities you are interested in will make them stand out from the rest and make it easy for you to quickly find where you're headed to next. Number 3. Hand sanitizer. This might seem like an odd item to pack since most, if not all, cruise ships have hand sanitizer stations all over the place. However, we found the hand sanitizer offered on cruise ships to be very harsh, and using it for more than a day or two will often cause our hands to become extremely dry and irritated. Instead of using the ship's hand sanitizer, we pack travel sizes of our favorite brand from home and never have any problems. As a bonus, the scents are much better too. Number 4. Your drink allotment. A great way to save money on beverages during your cruise is to pack the drinks your cruise line allows you to bring on board. At the time this video was made, very few cruise lines allow passengers to bring beer or liquor on board. However, some cruise lines do allow you to bring wine, soda, and/or water on board. Make sure you check your specific cruise line's website to get the details of their policy, so you know exactly how much you can pack. Also, be sure to check if your cruise line charges corkage fees for bringing wine on board. If you have any concerns about the drinks you're packing, print out a copy of the cruise line's beverage policy and keep it with you during embarkation. Number 5. Cash. Although you don't need cash to purchase anything on a cruise ship, we always pack cash for 2 reasons. First, there are many crew members that happily go above and beyond to provide you with exceptional service. Having cash while you're on board allows you to give those crew members something in addition to whatever they might get from the gratuities charged by the cruise lines. Second, cash can be super helpful while you're in port, especially smaller bills. While many popular tourist attractions take credit cards, you'll quickly find a lot of places that only accept cash and give change in local currency, especially if you get off the beaten path, like we enjoy doing. Number 6. The bonus item. If you have a young kid that has a hard time reaching the sink at home, make sure you pack a step stool because they'll likely have the same issue on the cruise ship. In the past, we've packed a small, foldable step stool that worked perfect.